Welcome guys, today I have for you a Chevalier FSG 3A818 wired for 220 volts, and we'll just get right into it. So this is a manual and automatic machine to where you can play with your hand wheel. This is our fine feed dial as well for our up and down. And you can also change the feed setting depending on how much you want to feed down with this little knob. You just pull it out and twist it on over. Then you have your in and out, which right now it's deactivated because it's on a spring. So to make it work, you just push it in, and that's all there is to it. Lastly, for our left and right, kind of the same concept. You got to pull it in a little bit, and then you can move it freely, and then just pull it out whenever you're ready to do your automatic grinding. So now we're just going to start off with our hydraulics, which we could do simply with, pull out your e-stop. Do that with just a simple press of the cycle start button, and I will also demonstrate our coolant as well. To get them started, you have to press the button and then go into the cycle start again, and I'll do the same thing with our spindle right here. So this is a permanent truck. You can see right here we do have our handle that turns it on and off. And let's get into some automatic movement. So we do have a couple different settings right here. As you can see, we have traverse grinding. We also do have plunge. And that is all going to be determined on these two knobs right here. And then we also have a park knob right there. So right now I do have everything set up in the traverse setting. So we'll just open that up. This is going to be our speed for our table. You can slow it down, and it also does start everything on the table right now. So as you can see, we do have the number 10 right here that keeps going down every time we hit our dogs when we go in or out for our traverse plunge. That number can be changed right here. But for right now, I will just be letting it run like that. So this machine will run all the way down till 0, and then determine on your spark out passes. That's what it will do. So I'm just going to speed this up just a little bit so we're not here all day. So in about a pass or two, we should be going down to our spark out. Just give it 1 second. One more pass, and then now we should be hitting our spark out. For, I believe I have it set for just 1 spark out pass. The machine also does come with the automatic in and out with the controls right here, the speed knob and the 2 buttons, which I will demonstrate very shortly. But this is what happens when the machine is done sparking out. It just parks itself to whichever direction. I have it set to the right, and then you're ready to grind again. So, well, first things first is you do gotta close that, and then you can go ahead and set whatever it is that you're ready to do. And we'll just go on over to a plunge. So the way that this feeds down is every time it hits the left-hand side, it will feed. This machine does not feed on left and right. So same concept, it will just feed all the way down to 0 and then go into a spark out. So I will just speed the process up because we're starting all the way from the top. Just gonna let that run out from there and let that finish up for you guys. And just like that, spark out's complete, and the machine parks off to the side. So it's a pretty solid machine. If you'd like to see it under power, feel free to give us a call. Again, this will be our Chevalier FSG 3A818 wired for 220 volts. Thank you.